Hey tech riders! In this video I want to show you how to convert your PDF to text without installing any application on your Android phone. For this we use Google Lens, which is made by Google. Before I start the video, please subscribe to the channel right now and join the tech riders world. Don't forget to like and comment as well. Let's get started. Open your PDF file. One point about this method is that you have to convert page by page. This means that Google Lens converts one page to text and then you repeat the steps I tell you to convert the second and third page and so on. Now you need to run Google Lens. On my phone, holding down the home button opens Google Lens. Now click on the search screen and wait for the text to be recognized. Most likely the entire text will not be selected. Choose the entire text yourself. Now click on select text and copy the text. Now you can paste your text anywhere you want and use it. With this method you can easily convert PDF to text without installing any additional applications. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Join the Tech Riders world by subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like and comment as well. Have a good time.